J.J. Garcia-Luna-Aceves is Professor of Electrical and Computer Engineering and Canada Excellence Research Chair in Intelligent Digital Infrastructures at the University of Toronto, and Distinguished Professor Emeritus at the University of California, Santa Cruz. For more than 25 years, he has made pioneering contributions to routing and wireless networks that have led to advances in routing in the IoT and ad hoc networks. His work has had a lasting impact on the research agenda in industry and academia, and his routing innovations have been used by Cisco, Nokia, and other major networking companies. He holds 70 U.S. patents, has published 3 books, and over 500 journal and conference papers, receiving 11 Best Paper Awards.
Being open-minded and humble about what one is doing provides many more opportunities for discovery, and that's the case in particular when I work with my students and colleagues, and teamwork is filled with beautiful discoveries that sometimes result from our mistakes or our previously ill-conceived approaches, and we learn from that and come up with better results. I think the beauty of basic research is to always search for the truth, no matter what that takes us.
For significant and pioneering contributions to algorithms, protocols, and architectures for routing and computer networks and the Internet, we present the 2023 Harry H. Goode Memorial Award to J.J. Garcia-Luna-Aceves.